Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide details regarding a multidisciplinary journal based on some subscribers have asked for my multidisciplinary journal. So based on that I am just moving some multidisciplinary journals. So one of them I am just going to make and detail. So I'm just moving this preview from the Scopus preview page, Web of Science homepage and an university list to just make sure that this journal is indexed in every indexing while I'm making this video. So if you are taking this journal at some other time means please check whether this journal is indexed in that appropriate indexing. Since you may know that in every indexing I mentioned, the journals will get discontinued from time to time. The journal which we are going to have a look today is Journal of Applied or Remote Sensing, which side score is 3.4 and its percentile is 65%, and it is going to cover subjects related to general earth and planetary sciences, and it has published nearly 818 documents within the year 2020 to 23. So here they have given it as earth and planetary sciences, but multidisciplinary is also accepted by this journal. So when compared to seeing this Scopus, you may notice that it is in Scopus till 2024 only. But if you notice with this Web of Science and Annexure, it is still in Web of Science and also in Annexure. So we can just move to the Annexure page. So here I am just moving to the main page. Here if you notice means here it is still in Annexure, and the publication you may notice, and the it is a science in citation index expanded index it is mentioned, and it is also going to cover some subjects related to what are the subjects they have mentioned. Then I am just moving to the profile page. Here you may notice that they have given it is having nearly 4 issues per year. Then other details is also not given, that it is going to cover some vast subjects like remote sensing, image processing, then environmental sciences, ecology, biology, physical, chemical and earth sciences, and also some essential science indicators. So it is a multidisciplinary journal only. Then the JCR report for 2023 and 22 is given, and then you may notice that this journal is also indexed in PubMed. Then from this journal website you can automatically move to the journal website, and this will avoid you from moving to any fake websites or clone websites. So before moving into this journal website, we can just check with Anna University link. So here if you notice means they have shared that this journal is indexed in Annexure also. Now we can just move to the home page of the journal. Here they have given what are the subjects this journal is going to cover. So we can just move to the all issues. Already we saw nearly 4 issues has been published by this journal every year in the Web of Science link. So they have given the in 2025 it has published nearly 2 issues. We can just check the 2025 to confirm that how many issues it is having per year. So it is having nearly 4 issues per year only. So in that in 2024 2 issues has been published, and we can just check with the latest issue. So here you may notice that a different papers has been given, and they have also given a link to download paper, but it could not be made since this is not an open access journal. This could not be made, but here itself I just wanted to check this. Here it is an open access journal. So here we can just make it to download. I'm moving to the download session. How here they have given it as open access. By that only I just found that it is an open access journal. The downloading is making. At the same time we can just check whether we are having any other open access journal. So downloading has completed. So here we can notice that they have given the article history. So it is received in May 21st 2024. and the revision it has taken within September 25th, that is nearly 4 to 5 months it is taking for revision. And once it is make a revision is done within maximum within 10 days or 20 days the acceptance is happening. I am not sure that what how many revisions is going in this paper. The only the very minute details will be given over here. Then we can also check whether we are having any other open access article, because based on that we can just make some other assumptions like how many time it will taken from acceptance to publication. Here it is an open access, sorry, it is the list of reviewers, so I'm just cancelling. Here again we can find some open access paper, so I am just downloading it. Here we can just check whether the dates are same or it is having any difference. So here if you notice means the acceptance receiving date is June 17, 2024, but here revision is done after December 3 only. But once revision is done, as mentioned previously, the acceptance is taking within 10 to 20 days. So this is the details regarding this journal. I'm just sharing the overview of this journal. So if you are interested in this journal means please check the journal link which we have shared in the description box. Thank you.